light is the source of life. It guides our way, tells us the time. Citizen EcoDrive, a light-powered technology that drives watches by light. Any light. No need for regular battery replacement, no matter the quality of light, and no matter how low the light is, EcoDrive works. Once fully charged, it keeps working for over 6 months, even in complete darkness. We are all called to reconnect with nature as we learn to tread more gently and watch technology that harnesses the power of light. EcoDrive, a step on the journey for a sustainable life.